Hello Galaxy, Chris Pirillo here. Keep in mind I'm a little under the weather. I'm sick. I got a head cold. That's pretty much all it is, plus allergies. 2 weeks ago, I had to get out of the house as they refinished the floor. We had the frozen burst pipe at Christmas time. Wonderful Christmas present. Santa hates me. And then last week, I was moving furniture back. You probably saw all that happen, or some of it happen at least, on live.pirillo.com. I've been having a lot of fun doing my view in fewer than 2 videos. I just haven't had the bandwidth, the health, both physically and mentally, but I have been enjoying them. I wanted to provide an update on my idea for an event. I still want to do it, but let me put a finer point on it. I would love to do an event at the intersection of disruptive or emerging technology like AI and creativity or content creation. And so being at that crossroads is fascinating to me because that's exactly where I am. I've been having a ton of fun playing with a whole bunch of different AI tools that I discover and share, of course, when I find them. You can follow me throughout social. I'm not really inclined to do separate videos on them. Maybe I should if I can figure out how to make that work, if you're even interested in it. I sound out of breath because, as I said, I'm sick. Or at least 2 days into being sick, the postnasal drip. Not a lot of fun, but hopefully you're having fun with the other stuff that I've been doing lately. Well, anyway, what do you think about that as an event? I'm moving forward, going to try to find a venue to do an informal gathering at some point this summer in the Seattle area. Again, at the crossroads of creativity and emerging tech.